Hello everybody, today we're playing a little bit of Nuclear Throne, and I want to make a little bit of a special adjustment to today's run. I'm going to play as Plant, but since he starts with a shotgun, figured it'd be easy enough to have a shotgun only run. Now don't mean that he can only use just the shotgun, I mean like shotgun type weapons, because this is shotgun type ammo. So, unless you ever want to see a run where I just use golden shotgun, you know, for now it's just going to be shotgun type weapons. Gotta drink some of that Monster Rehab. I'm not a big tea person, but it tastes good. Alright. Assault rifle. Nah, can't take it. I just gotta consciously remember that this is a shotgun run. Okay. So I'm gonna take impact wrists. Oh boy. Wrench. Can't take that. Although I love my melee only runs, that's pretty much what I do by default. Oh boy. Cool, cool. I'm gonna take Gamma Guts just because, well, shotguns sometimes aren't the fastest of weapons. Alright. Oh, whoops, hold on. Alright. Oh. Alright, I'm back. Shit. Flamethrower? Nope, that's a bomb type weapon though. Okay, I really hope there's no rad canister there. Okay, trigger fingers, pretty good. Now I would usually take bloodlust over that, but well, stress isn't very justifiable. I still might take it, but having that leg up on enemies right after you kill them is pretty good. Oop. Bazooka, can't take it. I mean, you guys probably know that, maybe, I don't know. Some of you might. Some of you that have playing this game for a long time, like Chandler, probably thinking, yeah, kid, just whatever. Ooh. If I can just hit the car. There we go. Yeah, it's going alright. I only have a golden shotgun, because... Oh, shit. Come on, bandit, or whatever you are. Ah, whatever. Okay, I want that. Jesus. Damn. Oh, fuck me. Oh! Oh, right! I forgot about that. Okay, good. Well, he's dead now, but holy shit. Ooh. It's really tempting, but I never use the snare, which I know I should. Damn, man. Damn. You ain't giving me anything, are you? Oh, please, please move. Oh, fuck. That didn't go well. Damn it. Alright, we'll try again. You know, I'm just gonna go off and say that was RNG. We got nothing. A flat cannon could have simply been the difference we needed. Alright, I looked away for 1 second. Come on. It's the damn desert. It's not that hard. Crystal Caves isn't as easy, but... I also pretty much strictly use melee weapons, because I'm good with it. Grenade launcher. Lots of slugs. There we go. Okay. Shotgun shoulders. You know what? I'll take stress this time. We'll see if it's good. Shotgun shoulders will make the shells bounce a lot more off walls, which can be good if you do it right. In fact, they'll go faster and longer if they hit a wall than if I'm just shooting them. Like so. Holy shit. Alright, stress may be a good call, because I shoot a lot faster. Stress is just always good. Never mind what I said earlier about stress being a whatever. You guys knew what I meant. Holy fuck. This is gonna be good in Crystal Caves, hopefully. Splintered gun. Jeez. See, I really want the times 10 mod, where they times every mutation by 10, because I've seen videos of it, and it looks fucking awesome, but, motherfucker. I would definitely play the hell out of that until it does really get boring, but I've only seen 2 videos of it. That's not enough to satisfy my crazy nuclear throne behavior. Oh shit, that could have been the end of the run. I at least want to get farther than I did last time, even if I die to the last enemy in the Crystal Caves. Oh fuck. Heh. Idiot. Oh! Oh boy, still going in strong with my my shotgun. Take Gamma Guts again. Because I didn't know you could actually hit Big Dog with it. Okay, you cannot hit Big Dog with it unless he has to be awake. Pop rifle? Come on! Jesus. Yeah! Yeah, that was way easier. Motherfucker. Boy, I'd love a shovel, wouldn't I? So don't be stupid. That's the #1 tip of this place. I mean that partially serious. Don't run into things that like that. If you see that line forming, get out of its way. Holy fuck. Okay. And don't get really close to these guys, because they have a bigger range than you do most of the time. Even with Gamma Guts, they will probably kill you first. That's something I want. See, now the only thing about a flame shotgun and a golden shotgun is a golden shotgun is faster, and it does come with one extra pellet. But flame can also do more damage. I mean, we'll keep both. There's no point not to yet. Yeah. Hey, look, guys, we did it. We made it farther than we did before. You son of a bitch. Oh boy, this is chaos. The good thing is, since I'm only going to have shotgun type weapons, shotgun ammo is going to be way more common. You know, maybe this is better. I don't know. It bounces more. I don't think the flame bounces. Bouncer SMG, nope. You know, I'll take it. Oh, that was not good. I think gold shotgun's still the way to... Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright. Holy shit. Oh, that was double barrel shotgun. I was gonna be a little happy. I mean, it's not the greatest compared to gold shotgun, but it's fun. Oh! No, 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 don't do that, don't do that. I highly advise you don't do that. Stop trying to fucking bust that crown vault open. Shit. Okay, we're on Little Hunter. Fuck, he's here, he's here, he's here. Oh god, I can't dodge his attacks either. Or no, I have to dodge his attack. Ah! Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Oh god. You know, I'll be honest. I don't usually fight him without a fucking melee weapon. Fucker. Fucker. Yeah! Get out of his way. Oh, shit. Damn. Let's kill Lil Hunter with a golden shotgun. Okay. Alright, level 8. Oh, shit. Oh! Auto flame shotgun? Hell yeah. Now here's the hardest choice. Okay, do I go for higher ammo max or strong spirit? I'm gonna go for higher ammo max. Really hope this isn't what kills me. But like, listen. We've run out of ammo once in the middle of a fight. Sorry, I've just really gotta like... Okay, it's fine. I have gamma guts. Alright, there's one of those bomby dudes. Oh, fuck, they're doing damage to me. Auto shotgun? See, I would, but this is the one time where it's actually not good, because I'm going to burn through ammo. Yeah, higher ammo max was a good idea, because look at this. Stop. There's still some left over. There's still some stragglers. I gotta shoot them with my boomstick. Did that little MF do damage to me? Yeah. Yep. We're here. You already know what's going on. I don't like this position I'm in. Oh, okay. You sons of bitches, you opened it up, huh? Oh, you didn't like that, did you? Let's go. Energy screwdriver. Oh! Okay, okay. Ah, fuck it, just open it. Thank you. Because they broke my rad canister. So I lost out on some rads. Ow. Flame cannon, that's bomb damage. Oh, come on. Okay, well. I suppose that's where I'm gonna leave her. But hope you guys liked it. Very fun idea to just do very strict rules in Nuclear Throne. Alright, well, see you guys later.